Ahayah, and has purposely concealed that name from the world because they know that God is our God. And what they did was they exposed the earth to the Tetragrammaton, which has always been, even in ancient times before they came on the scene, the fourth God in what they call incantation. Yahweh, the four-letter God, was revealed to the world after Jerusalem was destroyed. Before then, our people knew the name of God. It was revealed to Moses. The only time that our people through archaeology or antiquity followed Yahweh was when we became disobedient and sacrificed to Baal. So you will find history of us with the Tetragrammaton, but that's why the Most High destroyed us. The Tetragrammaton is the four-letter name of God, and let's now refer back now to the Jewish Encyclopedia. Elder Lawyer in the Jewish Encyclopedia, because if we're going to reveal Amalek, we must reveal the God that they worship, that they gave to you. Okay? It's in there. It's in there. Let's get the Tetragrammaton, Elder Lawyer. Incantation, read that.
Yes, sir. Incantation, page 586.
Come on.
The invocation of magical powers.
The invocation of magical powers.
All people, civilized as well as savage, have believed and still believe in magical influences and effects.
Come on.
Jumping over. During the Hellenistic period of Jewish history.
During the Hellenistic period of Jewish history,
Hebrew incantations were used among both the Jews and the pagans.
Hebrew incantations were used where?
Among both the Jews.
Amongst the Jews.
And the pagans.
And the pagans.
As appears from the magical papyri published by Wesley, the Tetragrammaton and the divine names Elohim and Adonai were most frequently used.
What was more frequently used in Jewish magic? Read it again.
The Tetragrammaton and the divine names Eloah and Adonai were most frequently used.
Was most frequently used for their witchcraft over the earth. That's Satan, folks. The Tetragrammaton.
So here's another way to say Ahayah. So Hebrew is read from right to left. You can also say Yahayah. And then you can say Yashaya. Ahayah Yashaya. This is just another way to say Ahayah. How to pronounce Yahayah. Yahayah. Y-A-H-A-Y-A-H. Y-A for Yah. And then Hayah. So just another way to say Ahayah. Ahayah in the book of Exodus chapter 3 verse 14 backwards is Yahayah. Ahayah Yahayah Yashaya. Yahayah Ashar Yahayah Bishimi Yashaya Kadesh Wawak, or Ahayah Ashar Ahayah Bishimi Yashaya Kadesh Wawak.